Hello everyone, this is Nirmalendu Nirmal. I hope that all of you are studying very well at home. Okay, so many topics we have studied, we have learned, and today we are going to learn about the place value. Okay, about place value. So let's start. Actually, what is place value? What is place value? Okay, so place value of any digit in a number is the value of that digit because of the position in the number of that digit. Okay, means the position of the digit changes in a number, then the value of that digit changes in that number. Got it? So because of the position, whatever the value of any digit is there in the number, that is the place value, because of the place whatever the value is there. So the value represented by the digit in a number on the basis of its position in a number is known as place value. Okay, so whatever value is there of the digit in a number because of its position in the number, okay, that is called the place value of that digit in that number. So of the same digit, okay, of the same digit, if it will be at the different position in the number, the value will be different of that digit in that number. Got it? So we have learned in the previous classes how to read a number. Obviously we have learned about the numeration, and for this we should have the understanding about the places like ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. These, okay, these are the places of the digits in the particular number, okay, which we read from right to left. Already we have learnt about this. So if we will have to read this number, how will you read it? Is for that we'll have to read ones, tens, 100,000. We'll see that 8 is at the thousand place. Okay, in this number 8 is at the thousand place and 9 is at the hundreds place. If I will read it ones, tens, 100,000, then 9 is at the hundreds place, 1 is at the tens place, and 5 is at the ones place. No, so position of these digits are different in the number. Obviously the value will also be different in this number. Obviously the value of 8 in this number is different because the position is different. Value of 9 is different because its position in this number is different. So value of 1 will be different. So according to the position, what will the value of 8 here? Since 8 is at the thousandth place, okay, in this number 8 is at the thousandth place, obviously the value of 8 will be in thousand. Okay, it is in the at the thousandth place, so obviously its value will be in thousand. So its place value, okay, its value because of the place, it means the place value will be what? In thousand. It means 8 into thousand. Why? Because it is at the thousandth place, so its place value will be 8,000. Got it? What is the place value of 8? 8,000. Why 8,000? Why not 800? Why not 80? Why not 80,000? Because 8 is at the thousandth place. Because of that, its value will be in thousand. It means 8 into thousand, 8,000. I hope that you understood. If we'll talk about the value of 9 in this number, so 9 is placed at the hundredth place. 9 is placed at the hundredth place. It means its value will be in 100. So its value will be in 100. Then what should be? 9 into 100. It means 900. Okay. So its value is 900. So this is the place value of 9 in this number. So you have seen that 8 is smaller than 9, but in this number its value is different. The value of 8 is 8,000 and the value of 9 is 900. Obviously it is greater. Why? Because it is at the greater position at the thousandth place. It was at the 9 is at the hundredth place. That's why its value is in 100. That means 900. If we'll talk about the value of 1 in this number, what will be? 1 is placed at the tenth place. It means its value should be in tens. It means what? 1 into 10, its value will be 10. I hope that you understood. 5 is at the ones place, so its value should be in ones. So it means 5 is its value. I hope that you understood. If the same number, suppose that I am going to write 7816, 1 6 and 7 7 7 2 6 8 3. See, if we'll talk about the value of 8 in both the numbers, the digit is same, 8 and 8. Okay, this 8 and this 8, but the value is different. Okay, the value of the same digit, it means 8 and 8, the digits are same, 8 in both the numbers, but the value of these 8s are different. Why? Because these are at the different positions in the numbers. So its value will be in 100. Why? Because it's at the hundreds place, ones, tens and 100. So its value will be in 100. 8 into 100, it means its value is 800 here. But its value will be in tens, ones, tens, it is at the tens place, so its value will be in tens. It means 8 into tens, 80. So we have seen that because of the position, because of the place, the value of the digit differs. Got it? Let me take the same number. Suppose that I will take the number 7 6 5 6 3. Okay, the 76,563. Now if we will talk about these two 6, okay, this is 6, this is 6, both are the same digit, 6 and 6, but the value of these both the 6's are different in this number. Why? Because these are placed at the different positions in this number. Its value will be what? It is at the tens place, it means its value will be in tens. 6 into 10, it means its value is 60. But the value of this 6, what will be? It is at the place, which place? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. It is at the thousands place. Obviously its value will be in thousand. So 6 into 1000, it means its value will be 6000. So you see, the value of 16 is 6000 and the value of 16 is 60. So great difference is there in between the value of both the 6's because of the positions only. So I hope that you understood the place value. Okay, so and these are the examples, you can read it. Now if the question will be there that write the place values of two 6's used in the number, okay, and find the sum of those two values. So in this, what you have to do? First you have to do one thing, that you will find the values of the 6, okay, place values of 2 6. You can see that 2 6's are there at the two different places, 2 6 8 6 9 0. This is the number 2,68,690. So you have to write the place value of both the 2 6's are there. So you will write that the place value of 1 6 is equal to what will be 6 into 100. Why? It is at the 100 place. So 1 6 600, it is at the 100th place, so its value will be 600. Again you will add the value of the second 6. A statement you have to write. In the statement, without a statement don't do. Okay, so you will add that the value of the second 6 or other 6, what? 6 into 10,000. Why? Because it is at the 10,000 place, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So its value will be in 10,000. It means 60,000. So both the place values you have got, and after that you have to find the sum of those two values. So you will have to get the sum. So you will add that the sum of the values is equal to 60,000 plus 600. So 60,600 will be the answer. So using a statement you will do the questions like this. Okay, in place of sum, you might have been said that you find the difference. No problem, first find out the place values and then find the difference. If it will be said that find the product, no problem, find the place value and find the product. So main thing was there to make you understand about the place value, okay, and how to find the sum, difference, product and quotient. Already we know that. So I hope that you have understood very well about the place values. Now we will talk about two types of numbers, okay, concrete number and abstract number. Actually what is concrete number? Actually a concrete number is a number which refers to a particular unit and which is meaningful. Okay, suppose that I will say directly 8. In what 8? 8 means it clarifies anything? No, nothing. Okay, if I say any number directly, simply no unit, then it is meaningless. No meaning comes from that number. Okay, if we will use any unit, obviously that is meaningful. If we will say that 8 kg, obviously it says about the weight of something, okay, that how much weight is that particular thing is having. Okay, if we say that 8 kilometer, obviously it is saying about the distance. So these are the meaningful. If we will say the number directly, that is meaningless. So concrete number are those numbers which refers to a particular unit and that is meaningful, like 8 meter, 34 kg, 89 kilometer. These are known as concrete number. This is concrete number, this is concrete number, this is concrete number, which are meaningful and which refers to a particular unit. And abstract numbers are those number which does not refer to any particular unit. Okay, which does not refer to a particular unit, like 9, 23, 67, 100, 150, 10,000, like this. Okay, which does not refer to any particular unit, and that is useless. What useless means? I mean to say that meaningless, not useless, meaningless. Got it? I will say 9 directly. What 9? Nothing meaning comes from this. So these numbers are abstract numbers and these numbers are concrete number. I hope that all of you have understood. So now you will do the exercise. Okay, you will do the exercise. So today homework is there. You have to solve the exercise 4a. Okay, you have to, sorry, exercise 4a is your homework, and I hope that you are able to do all the questions of this exercise. So in the next class we will talk about the second part of this chapter. For that time, be healthy, stay healthy. Bye bye, have a nice day.